So guys, you're probably wondering where the hell am I going, and it's a bit weird to start the video in the car, but it's 7:42 a.m. right now, and we got at the tram behind the camera, and we're both running on no sleep. Actually, that's a lie, I slept a bit. The tram didn't sleep at all though, and we thought it was a rational decision to drive 124 miles to go pick up a new bumper, but a used new bumper, second hand. So yeah, we're on our way to get the bumper now, because the rear end is ridiculous, like I said in my previous video, and it needs to be changed. There's a few other things which I've ordered, but I need the bumper first for it to, you know, go with it. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we picked it up. We picked up the new second-hand bumper, and we're on our way back now. We do need to make a pit stop for fuel, but yeah, we're on our way back. I was thinking of fitting just the bumper today, but it's going to look even uglier than the one we have, because exhaust is not here. I say exhaust, but it's actually just a backbox delete. So I'm going to wait for that to arrive and then fit them all together all at once and show you guys the end result. We've got the exhaust, well, the backbox delete, and yeah, without talking much nonsense, we're going to get started on it. I'm going to give you guys a before and after of the sound as well, and let's get started. So guys, to get the bumper off, you got to take the tail light off, which has 2 screws below it, and then you got 3 at the back, like behind the wheel, and a few below. That's how it looks right now, and I'll give you guys a little sound check. It's not much loud at idle, but it does definitely look a lot better. There is a little scuff here and here on the new lower bumper, but I'm gonna sort that out. So yeah, it's not insanely loud, but I think it's definitely gonna be a bit better under load. So I'm gonna go for a little drive, take you guys with me, and yeah, let's hear it. I think the turbo flutter on the gear changes is going to be a lot better. That's it for the video, guys. If you want to do the same kind of mods to your car, which I definitely recommend if you want a bit more driving experience from it, because obviously these are the Golfs, they're not the quickest things on the road, and they'll never be, but the sound definitely just does add a bit to the experience and makes it a bit more exciting. And yeah, so if you want to do all of this, which I have done, I'll leave a link to everything I used in the description, so you can grab it for yourself as well. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment what you would like to see next, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.